Welcome back, or welcome if you're new to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I use my non-dominant hand to achieve this blinged out nail set. Yes, my non-dominant hand. And if you don't know what that means I use my left hand today to do all of this nail art using the TIPEX Instant Nail Apex system. And you guys know I'm right-handed. So like always, I'm starting off with a clean, fresh set of nails. And I didn't do any nail prep because I'm going in with this peel-off base because I'm not going to keep these nails on long. So I'm taking my time, trying not to get any of this on my cuticles. And I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. And here they are, all complete. So now we're going to go in with the TIPEX Instant Nail Glue. And we're going to put just a little bit on each nail tip. And I'm going to do my best not to get any spillage. And you guys, I left this in real time so you can see how easy it really is. I'm doing this with my non-dominant hand, putting these on with my left hand. And I'm not left-handed, I'm right-handed. And it was so easy. You just gotta take your time and know that it's okay if you do have some spillage. The biggest thing is you don't want to get any air bubbles in there. So now I'm going with my e-file. Remember, if you're right-handed, you have your file on forward, and if you're using your left hand, have it on reverse. I'm just going to go around the cuticle and clean up the spillage that I had. And I do have this sped up, you guys, so I'm not really moving this fast, but just go slow, take your time. And I have it on 7. I'm going to go in and this will take the shine off the nail, so when I apply my gel polish, it has something to stick to. Now I'm going to go in and apply this base coat by McCart Pro. And you can see how clear these nail tips are. That's like one of my most favorite things about this brand here is how clear the nail tips are. We're going to go in with this Vanillisa gel polish here. The number for the color is 709. I did get this in the kit off of Amazon. I will link this in my Amazon storefront, or if I can't find it, I would try to link something close to it. But it was like a new collection, and it's a wide range of nudes that I got, and they're all beautiful. All of them are beautiful. But yes, I'll try to link it down below in my Amazon storefront. We will be applying 2 coats of this on the nails. So you guys, unfortunately, I don't know what happened to the footage of me putting this ombre on here with the Madame Glam rocking it. It's this color here. It's a shimmer color. It's a very sparkly, pretty gel. So you can see I'm ombreing it up. And you're going to see me go in and layer this until I get it to the opacity that I like. I will freeze the frame so you can see I was looking at it and it just wasn't as pigmented as I wanted to be, because I am going to go in on top of this with some bling. I'm gonna bling out each nail, and by it having a sparkly background, you don't have to put as many rhinestones on the nail. The background actually gives a feeling to it. So now I'm going to go ahead and let this play out. If you guys have made it this far, please consider liking this video, sharing it, and subscribing to my channel. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and jump off and just let this play its way through.
Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. This text, I know it's a toss-up. We was raised a little different. I used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note, or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash it. And we could keep the pace on slow, yeah. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment.